Hello, young artists. Thanks for coming today. Today we're going to draw a super cute baby. Wah!
When Bear draws, you can too.
I love drawing babies. They're just so cute. I'm going to show you how to draw a baby with some super easy steps. Let's go over some supplies. Today I'm going to draw with a Sharpie to get started, and then I'm going to add some color pencil for my color. But you can use whatever art materials you have. Guys, remember, when Bear draws, you can too. Let's get started. So there's two things to think about when drawing babies. One, they have really big eyes and they have big heads. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to draw two circles. Just like that for my first one. And remember, you can always turn your paper to make your drawing a little easier. And I'm going to keep the eyes fairly close together. But I want to try and make them the same size. So inside those eyes, I'm going to draw another circle. Fairly large. Another circle like that. And in the top here, another round circle. And another round circle. And what we can do is we can color the pupil in here. And babies are super cute, so we want to give him some nice long eyelashes. And we'll give him 3 on that side. And 3 on that side. And then let's come up and just give him 2 little marks for his eyebrow. And we're going to come down here, about right in the middle, and we're going to do a nice little round button nose. And we're going to come down about the same distance, and we're going to draw, let's do it all in one long motion. A long line. We're going to curve it up, and then we're going to round and curve down, just like that. And let's give him a smiley face. He's a happy baby. Now, this is the tricky part. We're going to draw his head. And remember, babies have relatively larger heads. So we're going to come right across here at the eye and put a little mark there. And I want to come across here. And I think what I'm going to do is draw his ear first, just so we have a placement for his head to stop. I'm going to put a mark there. And then what we'll do is we're going to make a long sweeping line this way, and then we're going to make a sweeping line this way for the top of his head and the bottom of his head. Remember, turn your paper and do whatever you need to do to make this drawing easier for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my paper this way, and I'm going to come up, and I'm going to curve it back in, and I'm going to meet this all the way. I'm going to try and do one nice continuous swooping line all the way down, and I want to meet this line with the top of my ear, just like that. Now I'm going to curve this line down around. I'm going to bring it right up here to his face. I'm going to just round that off a little bit better right there too. So I'm going to bring this around, and I'm going to curve this down just like this, and I'm going to bring it up just there, just like that. Now I'm going to come across here. I'm going to just put another little C shape there for his other ear, and I'm going to give my baby some hair. He's going to have some curls on the top of his head. I'm going to give him 3 there. Now let's give him a bib. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw his shoulders with just 2 round lines here and here. And I'm going to draw his bib in one nice curved shape. just like that. Now, I think I want to have some fun. I think I'm going to put a cool dinosaur on his bib. Now, this is where it might get a little complicated. So you can draw whatever you want, but I thought it would be neat if he had a dinosaur on his bib. So if you can guess the dinosaur, you can yell it out when you think you know what it is. I'm going to come across here, and I'm going to come across here, curve my line a little bit, bring it up, the smiley face, put a nostril, little nose, and a line here. I think what I want to do is draw some big, sharp teeth. Draw one here like this. Draw one here like that. Another one. What little baby doesn't like dinosaurs? One more tooth there. I'm going to come down. I'm going to come all the way down here. Stop. Come around, give him his bottom jaw, and come up around. That looks pretty cool. Now let's give him some bottom teeth. Make some curved shapes. And then what we'll do is we'll draw the inside like that. And just draw another tooth there and a smaller tooth back there. And let's give him a tongue. And then what we'll do is we'll turn our paper and we're going to curve this down just like that. And I think we'll color this in black now. Pretty awesome. Now I think what I'll do is I'm just going to turn my drawing this way, and I'm going to just add a little more detail around here so we can make that a different color. There we go. That looks pretty cool. There it is. There's our baby. Super simple, super easy, looks awesome. Now the fun part. Let's add some color. job. Thanks for drawing with me today. He looks super cute. Hey, if you like what you did today, subscribe to my channel or visit my website. It's beardraws.com. Hey, remember, art is awesome. Get outside in nature and just keep drawing. See you soon.
So just keep drawing.